Find features that distinguish it from other brands for all-power APGG12000, 12,000 watt, dual-fuel generator, gasoline propane, JD engine electric start portable wheel kit. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because unmatched power. With an impressive 12,000 peak watts and 9,500 running watts, this generator is designed to handle even the most demanding tasks and appliances with ease. Electric start. Say goodbye to the hassle of pull starting. The electric start feature enables effortless ignition at the push of a button, getting you up and running in seconds. Dual fuel. Enjoy the flexibility of using either gasoline or propane to fuel your generator. Dual fuel technology gives you options and extends your runtime, making it a versatile choice for various scenarios. Carbon sensor. Equipped with a built-in carbon monoxide sensor, the generator prioritizes safety. The automatic shutdown feature activates if elevated carbon monoxide levels are detected, providing you with peace of mind. Multiple outlets. The generator offers a diverse range of outlets, including 120V/240 volt AC outlets and a 12V DC outlet. It's equipped to accommodate various devices and equipment simultaneously. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.